Hi everybody, it's Doug at Jammin Auto and Tire, and right now we're going to talk a little bit about the state of the automotive industry. So, corporate average fuel economy, or as they are called, CAFE regulations. A lot of people don't know this exists, but basically what it is our federal government holds the automobile manufacturers liable for fuel economy standards. Now what I mean by that is they're going to ratchet up each year how many miles per gallon that a vehicle should get, and if the vehicle manufacturers do not keep up with that fuel economy, they get penalized. So these manufacturers are literally going to do anything they can to get these cars to get better fuel economy. Now, one good thing that happened back in 2025 on the big beautiful bill that got passed, the federal government actually removed the CAFE regulation fines from the vehicle manufacturers. Now, we don't know exactly where this is all going to go, but we're hoping that this will allow these manufacturers to make a reliable drivetrain, engine and transmission that aren't the pieces of junk that they're kind of putting out now. Cars are made to be disposable. I am sorry to tell you that. However, if you look at what the cars are, the way they're designed today, these vehicle manufacturers, they want you back in their showroom every 3 or 4 years. So the vehicles are planned obsolescence. They want them to literally conk out and have you come in and buy a new one, which is ridiculous because people are spending $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 on a car and it's not even designed to go 5 or 10 years. Should you buy a foreign or domestic car? I'll tell you right now, it really doesn't matter anymore. These vehicle manufacturers have been in bed with each other forever and it just doesn't matter. For example, we had a little Chevy Express van come in. You see the Chevy logo right there? Well, if you read up underneath the hood, it says manufactured by Nissan Motor Company for General Motors. Independent repair shop, chain store, or dealer. I'm an automotive shop owner, independent repair shop owner. I honestly believe your best bet of going into a repair shop and not getting taken advantage of is an independent repair shop. One of the challenges you're going to run into in these chain stores is the way that they pay their people. It's basically sell this person something or you're going to get fired from your job. And these people are under high pressure situations to sell more and more and more. And that's where I think you run into problems where cars are repaired with things that weren't needed, or maybe we weren't told the whole plan of the car, things like that. One of the things I would recommend if you're looking into repair shops, if you find somebody that's a Napa Auto Care or a Midwest Auto Care Alliance or Milwaukee or even a AAA shop, these are your shops that these organizations require some sort of a little bit of credentialing, or they want to look at your, like for example, AAA will go back and look at your old invoices, make sure your customers are happy, things like that. So if you run into a shop that is one or if not all of these organizations, you have a good shot of not being taken advantage of. At least it's a good shop.